Hello students, today we learn algebraic identities. First we see what is an identity. An identity is an equation is satisfied by any value that replaces its variables. First consider x plus y is equal to y plus x. Consider x plus y is equal to y plus x. Take x equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Now you take left hand side x plus y. Here you have to substitute the values, so which is equal to 1 plus 2. So left hand side value what? Which is equal to 3. Now you take right hand side, which is equal to y plus x. Now you substitute the values 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Remember, this will be an identity if it is satisfied for any value of x and y. So the identities give an alternate method of solving problems and multiplication of algebraic expressions and also of numbers. Now come to the first identity. So a plus b the whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This means that no matter what values we substitute for a and b, this equation will always be satisfied. Now we have to prove this identity. First you take left hand side. What is in left hand side? A plus b the whole square. This can be written like that, a plus b into a plus b. Next we have to apply the distributive property. So a into a plus b. So a into a plus b. Then plus b into a plus b. Now we have to multiply by a into a plus b. So what is a into a square plus a into b, ab plus b into a, ba plus b into b, b square. Here ba is written like that. So a square plus ab plus ab plus b square. Now you see that line. What are that like terms? ab and ab. So now you add this a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we have to get that right hand side. So therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence verify this property, that is a plus b the whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Example 1. Find the square of 2x plus 3y, the square of 2x plus 3y, or find 2x plus 3y the whole square. Now we have to use a plus b the whole square identity here. Here a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 3y. Now we write the identity. What is the identity? A plus b the whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now you substitute the values. So what is the a value? 2x. What is the b value? 3y, which is equal to 2x the whole square plus 2 into 2x into 3y plus 3y the whole square. That is equal to, now we square the number first. 2 square, 2 into 2, what is the value? 4. Then we have to square the variable x, x into x, x square. Then we have to multiply the number first. So what are the numbers? 2 into 2 into 3. So what is that? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12. Then you multiply the variables x into y. So 12xy plus, so 3 square, that is 3 into 3, 9. Then we have to multiply the variable y into y. So y square. Therefore answer is 2x plus 3y the whole square, which is equal to 4x square plus 12xy plus 9 square. Then come to the next sum, example 2. Now we move on to the next sum. Find m square plus n square the whole square. So here we have to apply the identity a plus b the whole square. Here what is in the place value of a? M square. Then what is b value? N square. Now we have to write the identity a plus b the whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So m square plus n square the whole square, which is equal to, substitute the values, m square the whole square plus 2 into m square into n square plus n square the whole square. We have to apply the power rule. What is the power rule here? A power m whole power n, which is equal to a power mn, that is m into n. So we have to apply this line. So m power 4 plus we have to multiply the next 2 into m square into n square. Then again we have to apply the power rule, n power 2 into 2, that is n power 4. Now we have to write the answer, m square plus n square the whole square, which is equal to m power 4 plus 2 m square n square plus n power 4. So this is the answer for the second sum. Now you do the homework sum. See that, find the square of, first question x plus 4. The second one is 3a plus 4c. So copy down these sums in your maths note and finish the given homework. Be safe at home and do at home. Thank you.